This is the PSP, the PTO-powered 3-point mounted sweeper. Unlike the PSE and PSM, there's no toolbar to attach. This is how it comes in the box. Couple things to note: if you have the electric dump model, your controller and wiring harness is right here, same as your PTO shaft. Again, these rings go to your tractor, red to positive, black to negative, and then the controller mounts magnetically. Your owner's manual with all the details about the machine strapped to the hopper basket here. And if you have the hydraulic dump model, your hoses will be attached by a bracket on the side of the 3-point arm there. And that's how you get your PSP.